Hey guys, it's the Theyoungcoder. So now, as you see today, we are going to be coding Scratch. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a code cracker. So first of all, you get a sprite, whatever sprite you want, you could pick it. And then you make a variable over here. You press make a variable. This variable is going to be called code or password. I'm going to name it password. You press OK. Once you press OK, you go to forever. When clicked, forever, pick a random between 1 to 1000. Also do 0 to 1000 and then you do so. For example, you could want to name it like robot or something like that, or like, it's not really an AI, but you could name it like robot or code cracker. Code 2. I'll name it code 2. And then you go here, set code 2 to pick random 0 by 1000, and at the start, and at the start, we'll have to do if clicked forever if, and then we'll go to operators, and then we'll pick this over here. Then you select this, you do this. Oh wait, okay. Then you do if code 2 or whatever you name code 2 is equals to password. Then your thing over here should say join found code, or whatever you want to say, and make sure to add a space, and then you add code 2 for 10 seconds, and then you stop the program. And then test the code. Oh wait, but first, and then you do, when this is clicked, ask what code do you want the code cracker to crack. And then you do variables, set password to, or is it Senseek answer, and then you run the code. What code do you want the code crack? Wait. You go here, and then you pick control. Oh wait, not control. Events, broadcast, message 1, and I receive message 1, and then you do it. What code do you want the code cracker to crack? So for example, I want it to crack 4565, and then it'll start working. And then it found the code. Oh wait, I should make it do 3 seconds. So what code I want it? Wait, also add events here. When this is clicked, set code 2 to 0. And also set password to 0. And over here you could pause the video and see how you do all of this code. But without further ado, let's get on to the demonstration. Okay, let's start. So, what code do I want to crack? I want it to crack 1, 2, 5, 6, and then I'll find the code. This is weird. Wait guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I found a mistake. You see here, you also have to do when I receive over here. So when I receive message 1 forever, if code password, then if code 2 equals password, then say code 2 for 3 seconds, then stop. So what code do I want to crack? 1965. Okay, I'll make it say it for 0.5 seconds. Then 7878. And then I'll find the code. And that's how you make a code cracker in Scratch. See you next time, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.
Stay safe.